హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, టుడే టాపిక్ ఈజ్ హెచ్సిఎఫ్. ఇప్పటివరకు నా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. సో ఇంకా ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ మ్యాథ్స్ కిరణ్ కుర్రా. మీకు ఇంకా ఏదైనా టాపిక్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే నాకు కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి ప్లీజ్. నౌ మనం టాపిక్ వెళ్దాం. హెచ్సిఎఫ్, హైయెస్ట్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. సో నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ వర్డ్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ కామన్ డివైజర్. Now first method is a factors method. For example, find the HCF of 12 and 18. Now first find out 12 factors. Here will be get 12 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then 18 factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. In these, on observation we write common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now here we say that highest common factor is 6. So finally we say that the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Second one, division method. This method of division was invented by the famous Greek mathematician Euclid. Divide the large number by the smaller and then divide the previous divisor by the remainder until the remainder is 0. The last divisor is the HCF of the number. Division method, one of the example. Find the HCF of 36, 56 and 60. Here we given three numbers. So first here we take any two values. That means here already we taken 36 and 60. Now first point is find the HCF of any two values. So here we taken 60 and 36. So highest number is 60. So that is we taken to dividend value. So 36 is the divisor value. So 36 1 is 36. Then 60 minus 36 will be get 24. Now 36 here we write. So 24 1 is 24. 36 minus 24 will be get 12. Now 24 right here. Then 12 2 is 24. So finally we get remainder value is 0. So last divisor value is 12. So finally we say that the HCF of 36 and 60 is 12. Here remaining number is already we taken 36 and 60. So remaining number is 56. So remaining number 56 and 12 is HCF of 36 and 60. So next step, here we take find the HCF of 56 and 12. So 56 is dividing with 12. 12 4 is 48. So 56 minus 48 will be get 8. Now here we write 12. 8 1 is 8. So 12 minus 8 will be get 4. Now here we write 8 again. So 4 2 is 8. Finally we get remainder value is 0. So last remainder value is 0 and last divisor value is 4. So 56 and 12 HCF value is 4. Finally we say that given three numbers HCF is 4. So the HCF of 36, 56 and 60 is 4. Third one, prime factorization method. For example, find the HCF of 12, 24 and 36. Now prime factorization. First 12 prime factorization. So first prime number is 2. So 12 is dividing with 2 will be get 6. So 6 is dividing with 2 will be get 3. So 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Now second number is 24. So 24 is dividing with first prime number 2. So 24 is dividing with 2 will be get 12. So again here 12 is dividing with 2 will be get 6. So 6 is dividing with 2 will be get 3. So 3 is dividing with 3. Why? Because next prime number is 3. So here 3 is dividing with 3. So that one is possible. So we say that 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Next last number is 36. So 36 is dividing with 2 will be get 18. 18 is dividing with 2 will be get 9. 9 is dividing with next prime number 3. So 9 is dividing with 3 will be get 3. So next 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. So in these finally we get 1 1 1 numbers. So we say that 12 factorization will be get 2 into 2 into 3. Next 24 factorization 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 factorization 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So in these common prime numbers, so already here we rounded 2 and 3. Next here some steps is there. So first step, express each numbers as a product of prime factors. Second step, ring all common factors taken only one factor out of a set of common factors. Already we rounding those are 2 comma 2 comma 3. Now next third step is the product of common factors, that means 2 into 2 into 3. So here will we get 12. So finally we say that the HCF of 12 comma 24 and 36 is 12. 10th class students, the sum is most important. So all of you observe this one once. See, find the HCF of 12 comma 45 and 150. So this is the prime factorization method. So first 12 is dividing with 2 will be get 6. 6 is dividing with 2 will be get 3. So 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Next number is 45. So 45 is first prime number is 2. So 45 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. So 45 is dividing with 3 will be get 15. So 15 is dividing with 3 will be get 5. So 5 is prime numbers 2 comma 3 comma 5 and so on. So here 5 is dividing with 5. So finally we get 1. Next last number is 150. So 150 is dividing with 2. Why? Because 150 is divisible by 2. So 150 is dividing with 2 will be get 75. So 75 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number is 3. So 75 is dividing with 3. Why? Because 75 is divisible by 3. So 75 is dividing with 3 will be get 25. 25 is dividing with 5. So 5 is also third prime number. So 25 is dividing with 5 will be get 5. So 5 is dividing with 5 will be get 1. So finally we write 12 prime factorizations. Here we write so 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 square into 3 power of 1. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. That means 3 square into 5 power of 1. 150 is equal to, here we write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That means 2 power of 1 into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 2. Now in 10th class syllabus already we know that this is the one of the rule. So HCF finding one of the rule. See children, product of the smallest power of each common prime factor of the numbers. In these, which is the common factor and which is the common factor and smallest power? Here we want to smallest power. So in 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 1 is the common factors. So common prime factors. In these, smallest powers are 3 power of 1, 3 power of 1 and 3 power of 2 means already in this 3 power of 1 is there. So finally we say that the HCF of given three numbers 12, 45 and 150 is 3 power of 1. So that means 3. Another example, 10th class syllabus. Find the HCF of 8, 9, and 25. So first number is 8. So first prime number is 2. So 8 is dividing with 2 will be get 4. 4 is dividing with 2 will be get 2. So next 2 is dividing with 2 will be get 1. So second number is 9. So 9 is dividing with, for example here 9 is dividing with 2. That one is not possible. So next prime number is 3. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 9 is divisible by 3. So we taken 3 here. So 9 is dividing with 3 will be get 3. So next 3 is dividing with 3 will be get 1. Last number is 25. So 25 is not divisible by 2 and 3. So here we taken 25 is dividing with 5 will be get 5. 5 is dividing with 5 will be get 1. Now here we write prime factorization. 8 is equal to, here we write 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 power of 3. 9 means 3 into 3, that means 3 square. 25 is equal to, here we write 5 into 5, so we write 5 square. Now rule is product of the smallest power of each common prime factors of the numbers. Now an observation in these, no common prime numbers. So that means here we say that there are no common prime factors from above. So that finally we say that here given three numbers HCF is only 1. So thank you friends.